Introduction to Capital Markets. This introductory course offers an overview of what a capital market is and how an investor may use the various capital markets for investment opportunities and to diversify risk. Who should take this course? It is targeted to individuals who have no knowledge of the capital markets or familiarity with options. This introductory course offers an overview of what a capital market is and how an investor may use the various capital markets for investment opportunities and to diversify risk. Stocks, bonds, money markets, real estate, and bank accounts are introduced, as are the roles of these various markets in the overall economic environment. Some of the risks and potential rewards of each of these areas of the economy are introduced. With a better understanding of these resources, it will afford the user the ability to build a foundation towards a better understanding of how options fit in. The final lesson introduces options for the first time by providing a high-level overview of some building blocks to further the user's understanding of the options markets. After reading this, you're going to be more familiar with the following. The basic capital markets. This lesson will give you an overview of our financial markets and the various ways you can participate. The risk and rewards of profiles of some of the capital markets. The stock market. In this lesson, we will focus on the stock markets and how the markets work. We will also introduce some of the mechanics of the stock exchanges and introduce other financial products that may be used to invest in stocks, options, and bonds. Risks and rewards of the stock market. In this section, you'll learn a little bit about the volatile stock market and the roles that some people play in making the stock market function. We will introduce the basics of the capital markets, a basic understanding of how the economic status can take a role in the outcomes of the stock market, and the important aspects of the stock markets themselves. Stock market strategies. This lesson provides a brief overview of various stock market strategies, teaches you the differences between them, basic terminology used in the strategies, explains the advantages and disadvantages of each strategy. Options. The lesson reviews what options are and why they exist, the two types of options, the relationship of options to an underlying security, difference between opening and closing trades, and terms of standardized option.